What's the meaning of cloister? Cloister. Cloister.
Cloister. Cloister. Cloister refers to a covered walkway, usually located in a monastery or convent, that surrounds an open courtyard. It is often used for meditation or as a place for monks or nuns to exercise or walk. The cloister also serves as a physical and symbolic boundary between the outside world and the enclosed religious community. The word cloister can also be used more broadly to describe seclusion or isolation from the world, often in the pursuit of a particular spiritual or intellectual goal.